Side Hustle Slim Jim here today, going to give you another side hustle idea made possible to you, you guessed it, by AI. So, I've been talking a lot about drop shipping, and a lot of you have been interested in starting your own drop shipping store, but some of you have said, nah, I don't really want to mess around with that. I don't want to find products. I don't want to run a store. I don't want to set all that up. So there's an even easier way for you to make money using AI-generated ads where you don't even need a store at all. And that's using a store that already exists. The name of that store is Amazon. So you can join the Amazon affiliate program. You just sign up. It's pretty easy to get added to it. Then basically for every product, you will get a link. You can promote that link, and if someone buys it, you get a percentage of the sale. So you don't even need your own store. You can just sell Amazon products. And then for selling, I'm going to show you Creatify, where you can just put your Amazon link in. It will create the ads for you, and there you go. You are ready to go. So first off, we want to find a product to sell, and you want a product that is decently priced. So you don't want a $5 product. You want something, $20, $40, $50, $60, and you want something that sells very quickly. So what I'm going to do is you go to all here and go to movers and shakers. Sounds like an inappropriate restaurant or something like that. But it's actually just what products on Amazon right now are selling very well. So, and you can just go through here again, probably not looking in the 18 to 23 range, definitely not the 7 to 13. I'm actually going to do this step ladder here. So this is $53 to $90. It's a step ladder. And then you can see, since I'm part of the Amazon affiliate program, I get 3% commission, but I get a 3% commission for everyone who buys through my link. So I just click get link. And then this is my tracking link. So this link, if someone goes to this link and buys this ladder, I get commission on that. So we're going to take that and we're going to go to products here, and we're going to go to new product, and we're going to import from URL. And then we're just going to paste our Amazon link here, analyze URL, and it's going to look through that URL. It's going to get all the info. Again, AI makes it so easy. You don't even have to copy and paste anymore. Usually I would have had to, let's go get the description from Amazon. Let's make sure we get all the images. I can just analyze URL and AI takes over. So then after a little bit, here's the product description. It grabbed all the videos and images from that Amazon listing. And that's all you have to do. So I pasted the link. I clicked next. I'm clicking next again. It asks for some info on what type of ad you want to create. 9x16, or do you want horizontal? How long do you want to make it? I'm just going to leave everything default. So then it pulls up a script, and there's different ways you could do what you want to focus on. You could do cost comparison, safety focus, user experience. I'm going to do cost comparison probably. You can do your own script if you want to, but again, if AI can do something, they'll probably do it better than I will. I'm going to just pick what they have. So then they have a list of all these different avatars. I could have this guy shirtless on the beach talking about it. I'm just going to do their first one here, Brianna. She looks nice. Then it's going to put together a storyboard for this ad. Again, I have not done anything. I've just clicked next, next, next. So then they have different versions of it that you can do, and you can select multiple. So I'm going to do a creator plus original asset, creator plus AI generated asset. I'm going to pick a few of these just so we can get a full feel for what it's going to look like. So it's generating 4 videos. You can do the fast, cheaper one, or for a little bit more, you can do the Aurora model, which is improved. I recommend doing the Aurora model. It's quite a bit better, more accurate lip sync, more natural results. Then you just hit render video. So then we just got to give it, I'm going to guess this is going to take about 10 minutes probably to render 4 videos, but we'll check back here in a minute. All right, we've got some ads here to watch. So I'm going to start with this one.
Just made my 9-foot kitchen cabinets feel like ground level. The wide anti-slip pedals give me total confidence.
Okay, so it takes the influencer, Brianna. Nice to meet you, Brianna.
Automatically when you step on.
Includes her and some of the images from the product to put together an ad.
When I'm done, it folds to just one.
We have one with the influencer in the corner. So it made different versions that you could use. They all use the same script that we picked in the step before.
Reaching those top shelves. Made from high-grade steel with a safety lock that clicks automatically when you step on. Weighs only 9 pounds, but holds 500 pounds. When I'm done, it folds to just 1.6 inches thick and slides right into my pantry. No more dangerous chair climbing for me. Get your HB Tower step ladder.
But we have some videos. Again, took me about 30 seconds of work. Now, when you have the videos, there's several things that you could do with them. First off, you could just upload these as TikToks. You could upload these as YouTube shorts. You could start a channel as Brianna and just review different products or whatever you want to do on that channel. That's one option. One thing I like about Creatify that I've not seen in other AI ad generator products is they have this ad launcher where you can actually connect your Facebook Meta, is what it's called now, or your TikTok account, and actually they will help you get these on as ads on these platforms. So that's an extra step that they've gone. So AI just going further to make these things easier and easier and easier. But hopefully this opens up in your brain some potential side hustle ideas. Again, you don't even need a store. If that seemed like too much work to create a drop shipping store and handle all that, you don't get as much profit, obviously. You get more per sale if you do something like drop shipping, but you can do affiliate products. And you're not limited to just Amazon. Pretty much every product has some kind of affiliate program. In fact, Amazon's is probably one of the worst. If you go to like ClickBank, there's a lot of products that will give you 50% of the sale if you are able to sell these things. So you can just pick a ClickBank product, create an ad for it, start putting it out there. And it's probably, it's not going to make you $1 million overnight or anything like that, but this could be a business. This could be a side hustle. Again, I'm amazed with AI. If you put in some effort, you put in some work, there are so many different ways that you could make money, so many different side hustles. So as always, comment down below. Are you going to try this? Who's going to try this? Again, Proverbs 14:23, talk about it almost every day. Hard work brings profit. Mere talk leads only to poverty. I have a lot of people who watch the channel and then just talk. Oh, this is interesting. This would be cool. I have very few people who watch the channel and then go do these things. You could do a test for this in about 10 minutes, honestly. So I want somebody take this by the horns and do it. So links down in the description. Go check out Creatify. Again, shout out to them. I appreciate these companies that build software on top of AI just to make it easier to work with and add, extra features. We didn't even talk about, maybe I'll do another video. If you're interested, let me know. I'll do another video, but you can keep track of your ads, how much you've spent. Again, you can turn these things into money-making machines where I spend $1, I make $8. And then at that point, okay, well, let's try, I'll spend $10 and make $80. Okay, well, let's try ads. I'll spend $100, make $800. I'll spend $1,000, make $8,000. But it all starts from just getting going. So I'm going to leave a link to Creatify down below. Go give it a shot. Go give it a try. Leave some links to what you were able to create. Please, only appropriate things. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. So many people watching that haven't subscribed. Please subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And it just kind of helps my vanity to see that number go up. So appreciate you guys very much. God bless and have a great rest of your day.